How to play Roblox without updating it. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can play Roblox even if you can't update it. So it's fast and simple trick, so follow along. So normally, if your Roblox player isn't up to date, you'll get a message that kicks you out of the game. To play, you usually need the newest version of the Roblox desktop app. But if you're having trouble updating the app, there is a workaround. You can go to your browser and open a new tab and then type in now.gg and hit enter. This will take you to a new page. You can go ahead and select any Roblox game that you'd like to play, and this will let you play Roblox directly in your web browser without needing to update the desktop app. So this is a great alternative if you want to update the Roblox app but still want to play. This is a great alternative if you can't update the Roblox app but you still want to play. So I hope this helped you play Roblox without updating it. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.